Assalamualaikum guys. So back with me, Dr. Ulka here. So yeah, today we're gonna talk about storyboard for virtual reality application and also how to transform it to Adobe XD with the real sketch and flow. So in front of you now, I have this reality sketch. So this is the storyboard template for actually this is for mixed reality, but we can also use it for virtual reality. So the first sketch is to make an estimation how much is the distance between user and the object, which is in this case I put 0.5906 inch or 1.5 meters. This is the estimation when the user see the content. Okay, so I would like to create an application called Beach Hero. So this is the first menu, which is a welcome menu. Welcome to Beach Hero. Let's be the hero of beach. Start and exit. So this is the first thing that user will see when they use the application. Okay, so the next storyboard is for the scene called introduction and tutorial. Okay, so this is quite dark. I hope you can see it clearly, but I have given you the template, so I hope it's fine for you. So we're gonna make the storyboard for each of the scene. Okay, so in here we have user input, which is the input from the user when they use the application. So for this, I'm gonna just talk about the introduction and tutorial scene. So it's better for you to create for every scene. Alright, so the first scene that they will see is the title of the application, which is Beach Hero. Welcome to Beach Hero, let's be the hero of the beach. Okay, start and exit. And actually, this is the scene of sand, and this is the view of the beach with the cloud and blue sky. Okay, so this is just the sketch. All right, so in this case user have to gaze for performing click. Okay, or in this case if user wants to start, they have to gaze at the start button. So in the user input we will put gaze. Okay, so all these like air tap, double air tap, voice input, hold, drag, bloom, all of these are the input of mixed reality. Also can be applied for virtual reality, but for Google Cardboard virtual reality we only capable for using gaze since we don't have any controller. So we're gonna put gaze here, and when they gaze at the start, there will be an audio before they gaze to give the instruction, which is to make a selection, gaze at the target, which is start your journey. So the audio will come up. This is an option for you. If you don't want to have any audio, you can just put here no instruction audio is available. So this is in my case I would like to put audio, but again this is a storyboard, you can just change it later. So the user selection here, since the player gaze, so the user selects start here via gaze command. So in here we are clear what user will click, how the user will input it. Okay, so that's the purpose of creating the storyboard. So we know that user select gaze, select start by gazing. Okay, so this is the main content for this scene. We're gonna go for the next content, which is still under the same scene. Okay, so it's quite small. I'm gonna okay, so this is after the user clicks start, they will come to a scene where there is blue sky, clouds, bright sun, and with the button called let's do tutorial first. Okay, so again, I would like to make a 3D audio. To make a selection, gaze at the target. So since user gaze, so user select let's do tutorial first via gaze command. So in here we put gaze, okay, as the user input. And after that, our user will see many rubbish, okay, many trashes. So you'll be a beach hero, pick up one of the trashes you see in here, and still they will gaze at the target. So it will be still gaze as user input, and in here is the explanation. User selects you'll be a beach hero, pick up one of the trashes you see via gaze command. So this is the tutorial. So we're gonna show them the main core mechanic of this application. And again, still there is a 3D audio. To make a selection, gaze at the target and pick up the trash. Again, it's up to you. You can put no instruction, no audio instruction is available if you don't want to put 3D audio as the instruction. So after they pick up, okay, so this is the camera that they have picked up the bread. Okay, they can okay, I forgot one thing here. You can pick up the trash by gazing the trash. So I think in here we should put okay, in here below we should put the instruction. You can pick up the trash by gazing at the trash. So after the user gaze at the trash, congratulations, you pick up a bread. So for example, the user pick up the bread. So this is the view that they have picked up the bread, means the camera has the bread on it. Okay. So yep, this is the thing that you can put. No instruction audio is playing if you don't want to put any audio. And if you want to put, you can say to make a selection, gaze at the menu. Okay, and still, since user has pick up the bread by gazing again as a user input, you can put this as the explanation for the user selection. Okay, so yep, they have picked up the bread. So you've started to be a hero of the beach. Let's continue your journey. So they will continue to continue their journey to be the beach hero by clicking on this or gazing at the menu to start the real journey. And again, in here you can just explain as what it is when the user selects via gaze command. So this is the gaze and this is the explanation. Again, so in here this is just the example for the storyboard for one scene. So you guys have to be really set. What do you want the user to do? Besides, in my case, I don't just want them to pick up the trash. Even I have to categorize what trashes they will have to take in the beach. It's based on the research, so it's not just like based on my idea or opinion. And the second thing, after they pick up the trash, what they have to do, so it will be more challenging and more interesting for them. Okay, so I plan to ask them to I mean, I will give some food, but not to give it to the animals, okay, or maybe I will give them the food. Just try to make it, throw it away and see the effect of their action, things like that. Also to do other things that is necessary for being a beach hero. So let me show you what trashes with which I will put in the beach. So this is the based on the research in 2011. So International Coastal Cleanup by the numbers that there are top 10 items that litter our sea, which are cigarette butts, food wrappers, plastic beverage bottles, plastic bottle caps, plastic grocery bags, other plastic bags again, straws, plastic takeout or away containers, plastic lids, foam takeout or takeaway containers. Wow, so it's like 789 people who litter the sea per year, and the kilograms is like 9 million kilos. Oh my goodness, mashallah. Wow, there are 20 million items collected of all this from the sea. So it's clear that I'm gonna create a 3D models of the trashes in the sea based on this research. And meanwhile, I will also create the next scene after they take the rubbish. I will also make this view, which is they'll be going through underwater and they will see all these things in the water, complete with the times, like how long to decompose at the sea. So yep, surprisingly, even a cigarette take 1 to 5 years. It's so long. Okay, so yep, those things are gonna be my core mechanic for the beach hero. Okay, besides there will be other things to do. So please think how to make it interesting, challenging, not boring. Okay. And after this, after we make the storyboard, we're gonna go to the Adobe XD. We're gonna use plugin DraftXR. So you can just download it at the draftxr.com to download the plugin. Make sure you install the Adobe XD first, and then you download the plugin from the website Adobe. draftxr.com. So yeah, let's begin. Okay, then after you log in, so previously I forgot to record that there is a sign in using your Google account here, so you can click on it and it will link to your Google account, and after that they will come up with a API key which you have to copy and paste it to the box here. And after that, if it's successful, they will have this registration successful. Okay, so I think this is for the first time. After that, your Draft XR key, the API key that you just pasted just now, it will be registered with XD and it has been saved. So you will be automatically logged in from now on. So let's just close this. Okay, and save config. Alright, well, so far so good. Okay guys, so once you install the plugin, you can see it, it's here, Draft XR. And for now I'm gonna use 11920 plus 100. Okay, wait, I mean 1080. Alright, why it looks so small? Okay, oh, okay, I can just do this. And alright, great. So now I wanna upload my assets. So I'm gonna do import here, and I'm gonna go to level 8, and yep, I have this. So I'm gonna import the background. Okay, and I'm gonna import some of these other assets. So let's see. Okay, let's import other things. Alright. Okay, so for now we are done with this. Okay, based on my storyboard, as you can see, my application title is Beach Hero, and I'm gonna start with the introduction, or I mean the opening title or the menu first. Alright, so let's go. And anyway, before we start, you can also download the practice file here for practicing with the Adobe XD for Draft XR, which is in VR. Alright, so I'm just gonna start with this. Okay, so I like this background though. Okay, it looks alright. Okay, and now I'm gonna make the title, which is I'm gonna create the title here. Okay, wait. I think I'm just gonna start typing now. Okay. Alright. Well, I'm gonna start this. I'm gonna make it 50. Okay, 50 plus 50. So I'm gonna make it here. And let's just name this Beach Hero. So we have to make it big. Well, how am I gonna make it? Okay, let's start with 50. Well, that looks great. Maybe 52. Okay, and this is quite small. Okay, oops, where is it? Okay. And I'm gonna change. Is there any Helvetica? Arial? Okay, great. Okay, let's just right, and let's fill it blue. Okay, or I think light blue. Okay, and I'm gonna change this to yellow. Why? The color is so okay. Beach Hero, welcome. Okay, I think I should make it bigger. Okay. Alright. Okay, wait. I don't see any layer here. Oops. Okay, Beach Hero. Oh my goodness, I think this one should be red. Yes. Oops. Great. Beach Hero. Okay. Alright, then so the first will be welcome to Beach Hero. Let's be the hero of beach. Alright, so we're gonna make it like this. Okay. cannot make any space. What does it mean? Okay. Then welcome to, I think I'm gonna change this. Welcome hero. Let's be the hero of Peach. Welcome dear. Welcome you. Welcome hero. Let's be the hero of Peach. Welcome our dear hero. Welcome dear hero. Let's be the hero of a beach. So the statement dear hero here is more personalized for the user. Okay, and then now I'm gonna make it start and exit. Okay, so yeah. Let's start, and then exit. Right, so I'm gonna make it, oh, okay, so oops, okay, this is, I have to change this, guys, but okay, I'm gonna make it as usual. Can I just have it automatically, or I think you can download it, guys. Okay, so right, so welcome dear hero. Let's be the hero of Peach. Start and exit. So this is the first draft. Okay, I'm gonna make the second page. So let's see. Okay, wait, saving. It is saving, guys. I'm gonna make it beach hero intro scene. Okay, okay, so now let's save it. Okay, I'm gonna name it same beach hero intro. Okay, right, so once it is saved, you can see it in the web view, guys. So this is what I like about XR. Great, 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 I have it. Okay, so I'm gonna have the other scene. Let's make it. Okay, so let's, how am I gonna, okay, so I'm gonna create new draft. Oops, what's this? I wanna make the same like this. Can I? Can I? I'm gonna make a new draft now. How am I gonna upload a new draft? Okay, this is my first time using this, guys, so thank you for your patience. Right, I'm just gonna name this 1920 and then 1080. Right, so yep. Okay, then we still have the same background. Okay, let's just copy this. Okay, and well, I'm not sure I'm gonna make the audio instruction, guys, so I think I'm just gonna put it here. Okay, everything will be the same. I don't know how to make this stick, guys, so start and exit. Okay, guys, so in here I have I don't know how to make this, bro. My god, there is no scrolling, how come? So I have make it gaze on the button to perform click. It's gonna be, I'm gonna copy this and paste. Okay, and send backward. Okay, so yep, so then user will know that they have to gaze on the button to perform click. For example, they will click start, so I'm gonna copy this and paste this, send backward. Okay, then they will detect and they will say here, wait, you select start, so I'm gonna change this. How am I gonna group these two? Okay, Alright, so I'm gonna make you select start. Alright, so they know that they are selecting start when they gaze on the start. Okay. I'm gonna make it down. Right? So this start will be clicking, it will have, I think, no, maybe yellow. Okay, start. Alright. So next, so I'm gonna make it dark. Yes. So they know it's not the it's not the text from the application, like the title here. Okay, so I'm just gonna create a new one. Alright. Okay. Then I'm gonna upload background. I'm just gonna try if I upload background from here. And yeah. Where is it? Where is it? That's crazy. Where is the background? Why, oh why? That's funny. I cannot see the background. Okay, I'm just gonna copy this. Alright. Okay. So I'm gonna make the second scene, which is let's do tutorial first. Anyway guys, I forget that I have to add you selected, means you have started to select, right? So yeah. Okay, so then for the next page I'm gonna add some trash, because we're gonna start the tutorial for now. I think this is good. Okay. Alright. So it's quite different, but I'm just gonna, this is just gonna be for illustration. So I'm gonna add here, let's do tutorial first. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna make it red. Alright, and um, okay, let's do tutorial first, and then they will have like gaze on the button to perform click. Okay, and send backward. Okay, gaze on the button to perform click, and then okay, I'm gonna focus more on here. Okay, I think I'm gonna change this to black. Okay, same with this. Okay, just to know that it's a direction. Alright, so yeah. Okay, so after this, I think it's enough to make just 3 pages first, and then now I'm gonna make the animation. Okay, so yep, now we're gonna make the connection. So firstly, from design you have to go to prototype. Okay, so this is to create the flow of our application. So firstly, I'm gonna make the connection between here to here, since where is it? So from start it's gonna go to here, which is let's do tutorial. Okay, so you can just click on here, guys, but no, since we're gonna make it here. Okay, alright, so yep, and then we also have to know the location of this. Oh my goodness. Okay, I have to just see this first. Wait, this is beach hero underscore start. Okay, create new draft. Oops, why there is no home artboard? Home artboard not found. What's wrong?